Hi, today I'm going to pick this Master 175 lock combination, and all I'm going to use is a pathetic tool really. All it is a paper clip, and what I did is I used some pliers to get that really tight. Right, here you see it's locked, and I'll just reset all the combos. Right, what you want to do, make sure you put pressure on there like that, a lot of pressure. Put it under the second one, on top, sorry. Put it sideways to the left, and then bring it to the right. And then we have it, a Master Lock 175, picked with a stupid paper clip. Thanks, see you later.